Hi everyone! Recently we went to Whinlatter,
which has a bike park. It's Little Vids! Welcome back to Little Vids.
In this video we'll be showing you all about our trip to Whinlatter Bike Park. Whinlatter is in Europe, North England, Cumbria, in the Lake District.
It's got walking trails, play areas, go ape and bike hire. We're here for the mountain biking.
Start of the Blue Trail is just a short uphill from the car park. This is me going down the trail. It's a really good trail to get warmed up on, and we were all pretty cold because it took us an hour to get here in the van. Big wide corners like this are really nice because they're quite smooth.
Here I am going down the second half of the Razoff Trail. I like the wooden bridges, but I think they're called boardwalks, but I'm not sure. This corner here is very tight, so it's pretty tricky to go round it. We were messing around on a couple of rollers on a pile of gravel. This is my big sis.
I couldn't manage it the first time, but I did it in the end.
Yeah. After the pile of gravel, there was about a kilometre of fire road. Then it changed to single track. Watch out for cars on this road crossing.
This is Mum on the Wonderwalls trail. Look how fast she's going. I like this corner because it's big, wide and smooth. Here I am doing it again.
After the Wonderwalls, it was a steep climb up the Okie Kokie.
On this switchback, I lost grip, but I managed to find it again.
By the way, the blue-grey trail that we are riding is 7.5 kilometres long.
You see how I put my outside foot to the ground? This is to help me corner. Look, Mum's doing it too.
Look at now. This is the end of the Okie Kokie trail. Now we stop for a sweet and chat. Today we had wine gums. This is my little brother Boris, who always sits down, which has gotta hurt on a rigid bike. We were all feeling confident, so we headed up to More Adrenaline Please, which is a red. It's gonna be a good one.
It was really rough at the start of this trail, but luckily my bike has front suspension, so it made it a little bit easier, but it must have been really tough for William, who's on a fully rigid, and Boris, who sits down.
We are now on More Adrenaline Please. Here I am, weaving through the trees. It was a lot smoother lower down. Here's Mum showing us how it's done.
Good speed. Keep it going. That's it. You got it. Oh, that was beautiful. That was.
He got to this flat bit.
Yeah, so around about halfway. Yeah, exactly.
Keep going.
I didn't like this bit because I always thought that I was going to fall off. That's why I'm going slow. I think this bit is actually graded black. No wonder we struggled. This was the end of our morning ride. After lunch, we took the fire road to Grandad's wheel.
This is the Gruffalo. This was a spectacular trail. It was on a really steep hillside, so if you fall off, you would have a massive crash. This was a fast, fun trail, but the corners were very, very scary.
Keep it going.
I put a link to the trail map in the description below.
Thanks for watching our video on Whinlatter Bike Park.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.